From the top X of a building 320 meters high, the angles of depression of the top Y and the bottom Z of another building on the same horizontal ground are 29 degrees and 41 degrees respectively. Let's see how you use this information to find I and II. If we let this to represent the 320 meter high building, then the top here is X. Now, we can draw the eye level. Yes, that is very simple. And then represent the other building here. Then the angle of depression from the eye level to the top of this building, Y, is 29 degrees. And the angle of depression from the top, X, to the base or the bottom of this short building is 41 degrees. The height of this building is 320 meters. So we can trace this path to the eye level. That's very simple. Then from here to the bottom is also 320 meters. And here, this building and this building, they are on the same horizontal ground. The bottom here is Z. So, if I need this part, let me name here T. Let me name this point A. Then, the distance left here is 320 minus T in meters. That is very simple as that. Now, from triangle XAY, if I take tangent of 29 degrees, is equal to the opposite T divided by the adjacent XY. So T divided by, XA. And this implies that XA equals T divided by tangent of 29. If we consider the biggest triangle, that is triangle XAZ, and take the tangent of angle 41 degrees, that is the whole of this angle, then we take the opposite AZ, that is 320, divided by the adjacent XA. This can be rearranged to get XA to be equal to 320 divided by tangent of 41 degrees. This implies that the first equation is equal to the second equation. So equate T divided by tangent of 29 to 320 divided by tangent of 41. Now, we multiply 320 divided by tangent of 41 by tangent of 29 to get T. Now, this gives T to be equal to 204.0511 meters. Now, we need this part, that is the height of the other building. So we take 204.0511 from 320 and write our answer to the nearest meters. So this gives 115.9489, which approximates to 116 meters. Kindly follow, like, share, and comment for us to build the mathematics community.